This is probably the only light you ever need. Look at how brightness is this. And I can always adjust this 90 degrees, all of them separately. They all work independently. And if I want to, I can always pull it out like this and put it somewhere else. Also hang it somewhere if I want to and use it as a flashlight. And it's got a magnet here and it's gonna attach. Look at this. If I want, I can use a tripod with this, and it's got a 10,000 milliampere battery, so it's gonna last me for 24 hours or even more in a single charge. Plus, I can charge my phone with this. This is unheard of. For Father's Day, this is perfect. Highly recommend get one. You can grab this in the orange box down below.